Hello again, this is Zippo Norway with a new Zippo review. Today we're going to take a look at a Zippo with a model number, let's see, 28671, Keep Calm and Flame. And here it is. I love this letter. I think it's really nice. It's got a red matte finish, and you got Keep Calm and Flame on, silk screen on, in a white color. Regular 5-barrel hinge. Got a nice sound to it. Standard 16-hole chimney. Flint and spring is removed, as all my Zippos that I collect and not going to use. This one is made in, let's see if I can get this in focus, L of 2013. That will be December of 13. And the insert is made in B of B of 14, so February of 2014. This was made in December of 13. So this is one of the lighters I got, not just only one, but two. This is my user one, so this is used. This is made in, let's see, E of 14, E 2014. Yeah, do you see the flame? The insert is made in H of 14. So this has been my user for some days. So a lot of my favorite Zippos I got, one for just collecting and one to use. So this is my user. I paid, the price for this one is $24.95. I think I paid around $18–19. I don't remember, but I didn't pay so much as $24.95, that's for sure. So here it is, the Keep Calm and Flame on Zippo. Okay, subscribe to my channel and see you guys. Bye bye.